Here I have an iPad 6. As you can see, there is no backlight. You can see kind of an image, but there's no backlight. Let's open it up, take a look and see what's going on here. Go ahead and turn it off. You can see I can drag the power button off. There we go. Someone's been in here before, so this is gonna be easy to open up. There, yeah, comes right off. Let's take the display off and take a look. Let's unscrew the shield. Take the home button sticker off. Looking under the sticker, I don't see anything wrong right away. Let's get under the shield here, see if we can see anything interesting. Let's unscrew the battery. And let's take off the shield. All right, so here we've got the backlight lines. And everything here tests fine, the filters. You can see that what happens is the filters jump over here. These diodes look fine, the caps look fine, but we have no backlight still. And although there's not much that we can tell, like using VXW, it doesn't give us the values or what the components are. I've kind of concluded that it's probably the backlight driver that's not working because everything else seems to be fine. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the backlight IC here and give it a go. All right, so if you look down in there, we've got the dot is in the bottom, at the bottom towards the right side. Kind of hard to make out, but it's 5662 is that. So let's pop that guy off and.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time
looks like we need a new display though.
Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way.
The display having issues probably has nothing to do with that. Yeah, that happened. So I've got a new display and a new digitizer. Let's go ahead and connect to the digitizer. Connect the home button. Let's stick it back. Or connect a new display. And our shield.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt
The screw back for the battery.
that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Before I pull off all the protectors and get this closed down, we do want to test it and make sure everything works. And there we go. We still have backlight, that's good. Okay, no more lines. Let's check home button works. Touch works. Let's go ahead and just do the ultimate touch test, which is corner to corner. Everything looks good there. Let's peel off all of the Tessa tape protectors. I'll leave the bottom one on till the end. Now I've got to carefully get the display. Now I'll carefully go in and get the last protector. I like to take this off at the end because the flex cables might stick to it and I get pinched in the frame. So now we can carefully close this, making sure all of those flex cables are going down nice and straight and not getting pinched when they're not supposed to. And I'll leave this on just to keep it nice and clean, but we are good to go.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts